Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing haul for you guys. I just got a bunch of PR packages and I just want to share them all with you guys. Before we get into all of the packages, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. That's it for the intro. Let's get into unboxing. First up is this box that I got from YouTube. So this one is actually from the YouTube creator camp. So this is it right here. It is a beautiful YouTube notebook and it feels really good. It has this soft matte finish type of vibe and there's something here for a pen. So this is basically a normal notebook. Yes, YouTube really encourages us to be creative and write it down, you know, all our content and stuff like that. So this is really great. I'm definitely gonna use this one. Oh, and it matches my shirt. Next up is this package from Nubian. So this, I actually really like the packaging. So this one says beauty through nature, and at the back we have beauty, style, and love. So actually the whole tagline of Nubian is mindful beauty. So that's really interesting. So now let's see what they sent me. This is the Nubian Clear Gloss to be used alone or over lipstick to amplify and intensify the volume of your lips. Wow. Okay, so this is it right here. Oh, look at that packaging. It looks like a magazine. Does that make sense? It's really, I really love packaging. So this one, oh, they wrote me a letter. It's handwritten. That's so cute. We hope you have a great week and enjoy this little gift from us. Take care. Ooh, and there's also this shiny Nubian bag. I really love stuff that shine. Okay, so this is all of the info on the product. So this is a highly effective product. You will feel a new sensation and tingling. We suggest that you use a small amount and then build up for more desired results. Okay. Alright, you know what? I'm super excited to try this, so we're gonna try it right now. So this is how it looks like. Look at that beautiful packaging. So this is basically the name of the product. It's nude, and then there's more info on it here at the back. So let's open it up. Wow, it's super clear. Do you guys see that? And I super love the packaging of the component. I am super into minimalist but really polished looking things. So wow, I mean packaging on point. Alright, so let's try this on. Ooh, it smells like fresh fruits. Like a fresh fruit candy. This smells really good. I love it. It smells like candy, and you know me, I love anything sweet, anything that tastes sweet, smells sweet, so I'm super loving the smell. I just removed my lip gloss so I can try this out. So it says to try just a little bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, it feels really cooling. Like it has a cooling effect on my lips. Like it feels minty but not in a bad way. Like it feels relaxing. I actually want to put more. Wow, I am really loving this gloss on my lips. It just feels really minty and cool on my lips and I love it. And I also like that it's a clear gloss, so I can use it with any lipstick and the color still shines through. And the gloss on this, I mean, wow, that looks super juicy. This next one is from Heineken. So they sent me their new collection. Can you believe that Heineken actually has actual merch other than beer? So this is it right here. This is the Heineken Star collection. So this is the bag, and inside here we also have the hat. I actually wore this on one of my Instagram posts. It's super cute. It says, "Nice shot, superstar." So it says here that the Heineken Star collection is a collaboration between Heineken and urban fashion icon Antonio Aguirre, Mr. Soul Slam. So congratulations you guys on your collab. I love it. It looks really cool. I mean, look at this. Look at that bag. But of course my favorite is this hat. It's so cute, right? I also got this Heineken bottle opener, and of course I got Heineken beer. I actually had more beer, but my friends already drank it, so yes, I am just left with this one lonely bottle. Next up is a bunch of stuff from SC Johnson. So I have Mr. Muscle. So this one is actually it unclogs stuff. Actually, I really need this. This is a very practical kit that I got from them. And next up is Glade. I love Glade. This one kills odor causing bacteria. in the air, on hard surfaces, on soft surfaces. So this one's really great. I actually have not smelled this particular one. I got another Glade product. So this one is the Refresh Air. It eliminates tough odors and freshens air and fabric. Now this one I think I'll really like, well, because it's, I don't know, just because it looks really girly and pink, so I feel like the scent is gonna be like that. So I'm excited to use this one. This is I need this in my life. The last one in here is Bygone. So this is the cockroach killer. It kills on the spot, kills cockroaches and the eggs. Oh my gosh. Okay, can I just share with you guys that I have a super weird fear of cockroaches. Like I just can't be in the same room as a cockroach. The moment I see one, even though it's like 10 or 20 feet away from me, I will run. I will run away. I don't care who I step on. I don't care what I'm holding. I will just run away because I am deathly afraid of cockroaches. I have no idea why. It's just one of my weird fears. So I am so happy that I have this because now I have a weapon. I got this package from Modest, so let's see what's inside. So they use a lot of tissue paper. Oh cute! It's a bag! So it's a Modest bag. I have a bunch of Modest products. So this one is the Modest regular with wings. You know, I love using stuff with wings because I don't know, it's just more comfortable and more secure feeling for me. And this one is the Modest All Night Extra Long one. So this one, oh, it also has wings. Perfect. So this one is when I get a super heavy flow. This one would be perfect. And I also have the Carefree Breathable 20 Liners Shower Fresh. I actually really love this. I love keeping this in my bag, using it for every day because you never know what's gonna happen down there. So it's better to be ready. There's also this jug thing. I actually really love the color. It's super cute. And it says hashtag feel comfortable with Modest. There's also an envelope that says origami kit. Am I gonna try out origami? Oh, so there's instructions here on how to do origami. Okay, I guess I'll try this at some point in my life. Next up is this package from Johnson & Johnson. So it's basically baby powder. I have the Johnson's Complete Care baby powder, and I also have the little one. This is the Milk and Rice baby powder, and ooh, this is the Johnson's Bedtime baby powder. I think I'm gonna be liking this one just because, I don't know, purple is my favorite color, so I just have a good feeling about this. So I basically got 3 different powders from Johnson & Johnson. I'm so excited to try it. You can never have too many powders. This last one I have is from Neutrogena. So this one has Neutrogena Cool Dry Sport Sunscreen Spray. Ooh, it's SPF 50. I super duper love sprays, especially sunscreen sprays, because it's just so much easier to apply. Instead of, you know, rubbing your body for a while, you just spray it and then you're done. So this is great. I also got different foaming cleansers. So this one is the Deep Clean one, this is the Acne one, and this is the Energizing one. I've actually never tried these, so I'm excited to get into these. The last one in here is this Clean and Clear Oil Control film, and it says it won't clog your pores. I actually really love these types of films that just absorb oil because I think it's more effective to, like, every time you get oily, especially when you're wearing makeup, it's better to just remove the oil instead of just, you know, adding on so much more powder, which is what I used to do before. I just used to put on so much powder every time I see oil, and then my face just ended up really cakey. But ever since I started using this, everything just became better. I just removed the oil and then, you know, everything just looks good and not cakey. So if you guys do that, maybe don't do that anymore. I had to learn the hard way that using this is so much better than piling on powder on your face. That is it for this PR unboxing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite product is from this haul in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah!